Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to compute the area of a triangle if we know three sides of it, but using area is equal to base multiplied by height divided by 2. Now in the other video tutorial I posted earlier, I showed you how to compute the area of the same triangle but using Heron's formula. And that is the easier way of computing the area of such triangle. However, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the other more well-known formula, which is area is equal to base multiplied by height divided by 2 to compute the area of this triangle. Now, I'm not going to do it all analytically, meaning that I'm not going to compute the height of the triangle analytically. However, I'm going to measure the height of the triangle um, and then use the area is equal to base multiplied by height divided by 2 to compute its area. Now, to do that, I'm going to use a drafting software. You could actually use a piece of paper and a pencil, and you would get the height and area but with less accuracy. Now, in order to draw a triangle with three sides, um, we could draw a line first, and the length of that line would be the length of um, basically this side, equals 12 centimeters. So we would draw a line horizontal, and the length would be 12 units, 12 centimeters. Okay, and then we would draw two circles with radii 8 and 5 centimeters centered at point C and point B respectively. Okay, so 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter radii. So two circles, one circle centered here with radius 8 centimeters. Yes, 8 centimeters. And the other one centered here with radius 5 centimeters. Now, all we need to do is to connect these 2 points to the intersection point of the 2 circles to basically form the triangle we need. So we use 2 lines to connect basically the 2 ends of that line to the intersection of the 2 circles. Okay, so now we could actually get rid of those circles. If you have used pencil and paper, then you could just erase the 2 circles. Okay, now we need to draw the height of the triangle. I'm going to use a different color. And of course, if you're using pencil and paper, you want to make sure that you're drawing a line that is as much as possible making a 90 degrees angle with the base of the triangle. Okay, so now basically we need to measure the length of this height so that we can then multiply it by the base and divide it by 2 to get the area. Now the length of that height is, as you can see, it is 2.4206, correct to 4 decimal places. Here I can even hover over the line, and then it would show me that the length of the line is 2.4206 units. Okay, I can just use that length as the height then. Let's do that. So the area of the triangle is equal to the base, which is 12 centimeters multiplied by the height, which is 2.4206. 2.4206 divided by 2. So base multiplied by height divided by 2. And then we could use a calculator to compute that. So the area of the triangle correct to 2 decimal places is 14.52 centimeter squared. If you have watched the other video tutorial, we found the area of the triangle using Heron's formula to be 14.52 centimeters squared correct to 2 decimal places. Now I didn't write down the height of the triangle here. The height of the triangle was 2.4206 centimeters. So I'm just going to write the height here. So the height of the triangle is equal to 2.4206 centimeters. And this concludes this video tutorial. I hope you like this video tutorial and wish you a very nice day. Thank you.